Hi dear friends, the purpose of this video is to know about how to use this wonderful prism holding device that we have created. Now before we start fitting the prisms into the holders, one small tip is that you should unscrew or you should loosen the screw a little bit so that the two holders can move and at the same time are not very loose also. Now as you can see that there are two holders that are mounted on a plate. Now the holders have been made in such a way that you can easily fit the prism, whether the loose prism is a horizontal prism or a vertical prism. So you can change the orientation of the prism as you want to. You can also change the plane of the prism. So you can make sure that they are as you want them to be. One of the best part of this particular device is that it is the patient which holds the whole device, and so both your hands are free. You can take a flipper for measuring AC by A ratio, you can hold a target, or you can even use another prism when you want to stack up the prisms, when you don't want to split the prisms. That way you can measure horizontal with vertical, or you can use two horizontals and one vertical prism. So thank you so much for watching the video, and happy using PhD device. Thank you.